How do you pronounce these words? Two, two and two. Yeah, you heard it right. All these three words are pronounced exactly the same, in spite of having different spelling and meaning. And such type of words are called homophones. Homo means similar and phone means sound. So homophones are the words having similar sound or pronunciation. Let's look at some other homophones. Flower, flower. Right, right, right. Wait, wait. Here, here. There, there, there. No, no. Some, some. None, none. Sun, sun. Now let me know some other homophones in the comment box. Take care.